Hi, my name's Sam and today we're talking about Instagram TV. It launched today, June 20th. It is Instagram's solution or answer to YouTube and video. So is it important? Do you need to be using it? Is it going to rival YouTube? Let's talk about all those things real quick right after the intro. Okay, Instagram TV, let's look at it. I'm gonna pop it up on my screen here. I'm just gonna go into Instagram like I normally would, and once this pulls up here, you'll see that I've got this little TV icon up to the right of the Instagram logo. I'm gonna tap on that, and instantly I'm brought into this video experience. And it's just full screen, vertical video. And that's it. Is it a rival to YouTube? We'll talk about that in a minute, but basically how does it work? I'm gonna turn the volume down so I can explain some of this, but here we are, kind of going back into it. On the main screen here, you can flip through kind of the For You, the personalized suggestions as far as video. I don't know why the Kardashians are at the top of my For You. You can go to following. I'm following Marquez Brownlee, MKBHD, so I can click in and see his video here. And how it works, you can kind of interact with it just like you can anything else on Instagram, but there's comments here which you can dig into and look at. And I'm not a huge fan of Instagram's comment system, but it's fine. You can go in and give it a like, you can go in and share it with someone just like you can on regular Instagram posts. And you can go in and hide it if you want to, move about the video. These videos can be between, I think it's 15 seconds and up to an hour long. Celebrities are a bit different. They can post up to an hour long, and I think that's anyone over 10,000 followers. I might be wrong, it might be more than that, but I'm told eventually it will be rolled out to everyone, but for right now, the ability to post videos up to an hour long is restricted to people with a good amount of followers. Now, one thing I noticed is that anyone can go in and make a channel. I've seen some blog posts saying that you can't go in and make a channel, but you can. It's easy to do. I made one here. I have no videos yet. Now, one important thing to note, if you go in and try and upload a video, it's only gonna let you upload videos that are in vertical format. So it's something that you record natively on your phone, or if you're in Premiere Pro or some video editing software, you can make a normally 4:3 video or widescreen video into a vertical video with some editing. So again, it rolled out today. There's a lot of talk on if it's gonna kill YouTube. I don't think so. I think it's great. It's a great way to experience video on a mobile device, but that's only if you're holding it like this. If you're holding it like this, it's not gonna work. So if I go in and play a video here, I've got the video up, but if I turn it on its side, nothing happens. It's meant to be viewed like this, but it's just not natural. It's natural if you're looking at a phone, but for a long viewing period, I'd rather watch a video on its side, kind of how I've been used to watching video for a long time. But anyways, Instagram TV, again, it launched today, June 20th. It's going to be a game changer as far as vertical video, for sure. Instagram has been killing it with photo for a long time. Now they're really stepping into the video space pretty heavily. They've had their stories for a long time that have blown the Snapchat stories out of the water, in my opinion. And I don't know, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. Let me know in the comments if you think that Instagram TV is a hit, if you think you're gonna use it as part of your social media strategy, and if you think it's a replacement for YouTube. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.